Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from wherever you're watching this channel. So there's a leaked letter from Rigathi Gachagua's legal team, and this leaked letter is directed to the courts. So the bone of contention here is that the 3 judges who are supposed to handle the 6 cases have received 2 more cases, and these 2 more cases they are going to handle, despite the fact that the directive by Kerugoya Court and Justice Chacha were that Martha Koome to form a 3-judge bench or an even number of judges who are supposed to handle the 2 more cases. So these cases that are going to be handled by the same bench that did not give Rigathi Gachagua fair hearing is what is making the legal team of Rigathi Gachagua be somehow suspicious.
Mr. Muite, senior counsel, again cited the decision in Itaru Peter Munya and the bundle of their documents on the...
So I want to take you through some bits of this leaked letter. There's an article here I'm going to share, ladies and gentlemen, regarding that fact. But before you do that, please like this video. It's so important if you like this video. I am so grateful for everyone who has been liking our videos. I don't take that for granted. Subscribe to our channel if you had not subscribed before, and to existing subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So through Rigathi Gachagua's lawyer, John Jomo, Rigathi Gachagua has demanded to know whether Chief Justice Martha Koome was involved in the selection of an uneven number of judges to determine all petitions challenging the impeachment process in the letter dated 20th, 2024, October. So in that letter addressed the Deputy Registry High Court, Gachagua's legal team further questioned why the same 3-judge bench that tossed out his applications seeking conservatory orders also hastily declined to lift an order blocking Deputy President nominee Kithure Kindiki from assuming the position. So this is where now the legal team are beginning to wonder why they did not issue an order that is supposed to stop or rather block the nomination of Kithure Kindiki. So they are looking at this matter and saying that they suspect that this 3-judge bench will not serve them justice. So the letter continues by making other claims here that the judges are also accused of claiming there was no open date to hear the petitions cases until 29. But however, when the government went to the same bench with 2 new cases, the bench somehow managed to find 2 days earlier than the 29th they had said they would be available, including a sitting on Saturday 19th. So further, Gachagua's team claims the 3-judge bench, Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima, and Fred Mugambi, who were constituted to oversee 6 cases, are set to work on 2 more cases on Tuesday, October 22nd. And this is despite the judges not being constituted to handle the Tuesday cases. So Gachagua's lawyers, are arguing that this move is a well-executed plan to trample the rights of the petitioner. And the legal team is also convinced that Martha Koome was not in the country to give directions on the judiciary's next course of action. And as a result, they are also suspected that Rigathi Gachagua might not get justice, just like he was denied justice in the Senate. So from the National Assembly to the Senate to the courts, they suspect that there is going to be total injustice. So I think these are some of the claims which the letter entails. First, they wonder whether Martha Koome was in the country, when these issues were made. Martha Koome, was she in the country? Those are some of the things which they want to know. So, but talking about Martha Koome, whether she's in the country or she was not in the country, I'm reminded of Mashujaa Day, where she was missing in action. I hope if you've been following the proceedings in the Mashujaa Day, which took place in Kwale County, you realize that Martha Koome was not available for that very important occasion. So the bigger picture here is that As it stands, the odds are heavily against Gachagua, as the three-judge bench is adamantly against is scheduled to hold an inter-parties hearing on Tuesday to consider a suit challenging his impeachment. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think Rigathi Gachagua will get justice? Do you think there is some hope here, ladies and gentlemen?
We have no power to direct our petition to any particular judge. So we are not forum shopping at all. Number two, my lord, the petition and the notice of motion before this honorable court is based on a new course of action, if you like, that was not there when petition 522 of 2024 was filed. 522.
Justice Chacha Mwita in his ruling cited that Gachagua's petition raised pertinent issues of law and is a matter of public interest. 5 petitions were filed on Friday morning challenging the entire process that led to his removal, with the petitioners arguing that the impeachment was biased and his right to a fair trial was violated by Senate.
Judge Richard Mongo in his ruling forwarded the matter to the Chief Justice to constitute a bench to hear the matter.
Do you think there is some hope here, ladies and gentlemen? Just go below in your comment section and you can offer your reaction on that. But based on the concerns which have been raised by the legal team of Rigathi Gachagua, it's as if they have lost hope. Probably that explains why Rigathi Gachagua appeared to have thrown in the towel. If you are very keen listening to what Rigathi was saying soon after coming from that current hospital, there's a part there where Rigathi says you can take the country and do what you want with it because you have all the powers. So Rigathi was literally trying to tell William Ruto that he can exit the scene, the political scene, if that is what Ruto wants, you know. Then he even went to an extent of saying that most likely, you know, based on what is happening, most likely Rigathi was used and dumped. So that is what Rigathi was trying to bring on board, ladies and gentlemen. I was used and dumped. Right now, because of the security of the cars and all the motorcade have been withdrawn, now Rigathi Gachagua is left to become a normal citizen. It's as if he was never the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. That is what is befalling Rigathi Gachagua. So I'm foreseeing this scenario where the courts might decide that they throw this motion to the impeachment motion, or rather, they confirm the impeachment, but they direct the government to accord Rigathi Gachagua some human rights, to look at this matter from a human rights perspective and give Gachagua some level of, security, some level of benefits because he was the second in command. Maybe that can work, ladies and gentlemen. I'm foreseeing that that can be the case. So just go below in the comment section and you can offer a reaction on this development. So perhaps if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, take 1 second and subscribe, like this video. Until you catch up again, stay safe and stay blessed.